Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple and updated way to save a text file from Dropbox directly to your device. Whether you want to keep important notes handy or back up your documents, this step-by-step guide will have you saving files in no time. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your phone. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to download it from your device's app store. Once open, you'll land on the main interface. Next, look toward the bottom of your screen and tap on the Files tab. This section shows all the files and folders stored in your Dropbox account, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Scroll through the list or use the search function to locate the text file you want to save. When you find the file, you'll notice 3 dots positioned next to it. This is your menu icon for additional options. Tap these 3 dots, and a list of actions will appear. Among these options is one that says Save to Device. Select this choice to start saving the file directly to your phone or tablet. Depending on your device, the file will either download to your default download folder or be accessible through your File Manager app. After the save is complete, you can easily open the text file from your device without needing an internet connection or the Dropbox app. This makes it perfect for offline editing or quick reference on the go, and that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can quickly save any text file from Dropbox to your device. No more hunting for files online or worrying about losing access when you're not connected. Stay organized and keep your important documents right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching.